Last week I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw this event post of a child named Gavin whose birthday is today. He's turning 11. His parents asked him what he wanted for his birthday, and I guess all he said was, "I just want a whole bunch of really cool cars to drive through." So his parents made an event, tried getting a bunch of people to get together and drive past their house with their bikes, their cars, their everything else. A couple semis, whole bunch of super nice cars. Every bike you can ever imagine. This is so cool. I talk a lot about the moto community, and I think we all know I'm talking the motorcycle community. But going above and beyond, this is a lot of what I'm talking about. It is unbelievable that what started out as a little Facebook post went this viral, and you have several hundreds of cars, Harleys, sport bikes, everything you can think about. I hope this kid remembers this day for the rest of his life. This is so cool. Happy birthday, Gavin. All these people are here for you.
A couple dozen cars. That's what a mom in Blaine expected.
Hi everybody, we're getting hundreds of complaints. We appreciate this. It's a great event, but we are getting literally hundreds of calls.
This is uncomparable to all my other birthdays.